Hi friends, my name is Achut and I'm from Isaac. So today in this class, we will solve another problem. So the problem is take an integer n as input and print all the multiples of 7 till n. So we have to print the multiples of 7. So like 0, 7, 14, 21, 28. So like this, we have to give we have to print the multiples of 7 until whatever the value we will give the user input n. So I hope you understand the question. So if you don't understand the question also, you will get it while I'm writing the code. Don't worry. So let us start the code. So import java dot util dot star. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot in. So we have to take n. Int n is equal to sc dot next int. Next int. So we have taken the user input. So we have to do the loop. So the loop will start from 0 till I less than or equal to n. So whatever the value which will give to the n, so until that times the loop has to be performed. So here we have to write the if condition. So what the if condition? If I, so each value, right? So I stores 0 and after that 1, 2 until n it will the I value will be changes. So it will check every I value will be changes, right? So after 0, it will be 1, after 2, 3, 4. Likewise, the I value will be changes. So the if value will check whether I mod 7 is equal to 0. So mod will check, as you know, the modulus is operator will check whether that number is divisible by 7 or not. So I modulus 7 will check whether that I, so whatever the value 0, 1, 2, 3 until n, it will check whether that 7 is divisible by that number or not. So whatever the I value will be stored in the I, it will check it will divisible by 7. It will check whether that number is divisible by 7 or not. So then only we will print the I. So we have to print the multiples of 7, right? So that's why we are simply using I mod 7. I mod 7 means in the I values 0, 1, 2, 3 until n, the values will be there. Each time we will checking whether that 7 is divisible by that I value or not. And simply we will print the I whenever this condition satisfied. We will use println. So I, or otherwise we'll use print plus yes, the program is finished. I hope you understand this simple program. So simply we have taken n. We have started the loop from 0 till n. I less than or equal to 0. Like 0 is less than or equal to whatever the value user will give the input, right? So that value it will check whether that number is less than or not. So 0 less than, user input value is less than. So it will check if this condition is satisfied. Then I value will be incremented. So like this, the loop will be executed. So when will the loop will be like finished? When this condition does not satisfy. I hope you got it. So let's run this program. So there is no errors. So let us give 98. So 98. So up till 98, it has to check, right? So 0 from 0 it will have to check up to 98. multiples of 7. See, 0, 7. See, first the 0 value printed, and after that, the I value will be incremented up to, it will check 98, right? So N value is 98. So it will check up to whenever the 7 value is divisible by 7. I value will be 7 at that time. So 7 modulus 7 equal to 0, right? So then that's why it's printing 7. Likewise, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, 84, 91, 98. I hope I got it. Why it is coming like this. So this is the program for the above problem statement. I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, please like it, and please share it to your friends so they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel, and please ring the bell icon. So whenever I post the videos on YouTube, you will get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.